Okay, so this is area of a triangle for smart people. So maybe back in sixth grade, you guys got the first look at your area of a triangle, and if I give you guys this green triangle over here, and I give you the height and the base of a triangle, how would you go about in solving the area of a triangle? You might tell me, easy, Andy. I know that. It's 1/2 base times height. Yeah, the generic formula. Yeah. What if I kick things up a notch? Like, if I only give you this angle, I'll call it angle C, right? And I give you the two other side lengths adjacent to it, A and B. How would you go about finding the area of the triangle? You can't just use 1/2 base times height. Doesn't work that way anymore. If you're smart, you'll be like, oh, Andy, I can do that. I'll just use this formula I learned from trig. 1/2 AB sine C. And I will tell you, you are absolutely correct. This this equals A. So 1/2 times these two sides times the sine of the angle C gets you the area of that triangle. And you derive it from the law of sines, but I don't want to go too deep into the derivation. So let's keep going along. So what if I told you fine? What and I give you this. I don't give you any angles. I only give you the three side lengths of the triangle. Like, how would you go about solving for the area of the triangle then? You have no angle, you don't have height, you only have the three sides, like an side triangle. Well, that's what I'm teaching you guys how to do today. And how you solve it is something that they call Heron's formula. And I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve it today. Let me scroll down. Okay, so let's redraw that our triangle here. Not the best quality, but it works. So let's give this an arbitrary side length of 6, 7, 8. There you go. And I'll ask you guys to find the area of the triangle for this. So Heron's formula is a formula, obviously, and it states that the area of the triangle equals the square root. I don't know if I actually, let me go down here. I feel like no room. So A equals the square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. And you look at it, it makes no sense. What is S? What's A? What's B? What's C? Well, I'm going to be telling you guys what that is. So, S is just an arbitrary number, right? And A, B, and C are the three silents. You can attribute the A, the B, and the C to any of these three silents, like the 6, the 7, and the 8. As long as you stay consistent, like yours. If A is 6, then A will stay 6. You don't change it in mid equation. And I will tell you why. Do you want to change it mid equation? Well, I'll show you how you can, and you should avoid that. So to find S, the arbitrary number, right? It's really simple. All you have to do is take A plus B plus C over 2. Sound easy enough? Okay, so let's solve this triangle now. Now that you know all your basics. So S equals A plus B plus C over 2. So I can do 6 plus 7 plus 8 over 2. That equals 13 plus 8 over 2 equals 21 over 2. So S is 21 over 2, or 11.5, whatever floats your bubble. So I'll erase all of this. Okay, this is super slow. Okay, and so the S is 21 over 2, or 11.5. So let's use the formula to try to find this. Okay, so S, right, is 11.5, so I can do 11.5 times 11.5 minus, I don't know, minus like 6 times 11.5 minus 7, and I'll do it down here, but assume it's in the same line, and 11.5 minus 8. And you plug those numbers into your calculator, and then you get your solution. So I want you to guys to go in the comments below and tell me what you got for this triangle. I want to see if you guys actually learn what I tell you guys to do. So let's do one more example. Like another one. Okay. Another triangle. It's not that bad, isn't it? It's just solving area for smart people. If you're smart, this is like easy. If you're not so smart, still easy. Like totally possible. Okay, this is kind of weird, but not really up to scale. But you know, don't take every picture to scale. So remember, first define S. S is A plus B plus C over 2. So 6 plus 4 plus 8 over 2. So that means S equals 18 over 2. So S equals 9. That's a really bad 9. I just realized. That's a better 9. Okay. And now remember A equals the, here, I'll write it down here. Give myself ample space to do so. So S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. So A in this case would be, oh gosh, okay, A equals the square root of 9 times 9 minus 8 times 9 minus 4 times 9 minus 6, right? So that would be A, here, let me scroll down, there you go. So A equals the square root of 9 times 1 times 9 minus 4 is 5, times 9 minus 6 is 3. So A equals the square root of 9 times 5 is 45 times 3. So A equals the square root of 135. And you can, so that's your angle, units squared or whatever. So hopefully this video has been helpful. This is again Heron's formula, and it's used to find the area of a triangle given its three sides. And hope you enjoyed this video, and have a nice day.